texted her support page.
So the girl Gigi, I guess she's on Influencer City. But y'all remember that girl named Gigi? The little girl that looked like Mumanda. She real pretty, real light skin. Really, really, really pretty. The little girl Gigi, she was on Influencer City. Okay, so she was bitten to one of her support group chats. See, if you was in my Discord, Gigi, I guess she's like a social media influencer. She was an upcoming influencer and she had got her weight on Influencer City. And we're not too sure if she was one of the official cast members or she was just a girl that was supposed to get flued out and sent right back home. And she basically said that
I'm just going to tell you directly, since you has been rocking with me. I was asked by producers to leave the house. It was unexpected and disappointed, but I have to be honest with you at least. Yeah, I don't even know how to feel about it right now, and I just started to warm up to everyone. Without even worse, now realizing that the cast doesn't even know why I left.
now she said, basically,
I wasn't listening to him, and I was supposed to be talking to him every day.
now when you go back and you actually think about it, if the girl did get sent home, I'm looking at everybody sideways. In all actuality, if that is the case and that girl did get sent home for not talking to him, I mean,
Now, Gigi was recently on Influencer City as she was a cast for 30 days straight. However, allegedly, she was kicked out as it was said she texted her support page. And so I do want to know what y'all think, as people have been saying a lot. People have been saying things like, okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So first up, I do have a prank. Watch the entire prank, and then at the end, I got the tea. Hey y'all, so it has been a weird week since I left the house and everything, and I have good and I have bad news. Good news, I prayed this morning. Bad news,
my name is Gabby. I'm 12 years old and I'm pregnant as
I'm laughing, but it's not funny. I'm laughing, but it's not funny. I might have an abortion though. I know you guys are probably disappointed in me.
هكر يا جماعة لو انتبهتوا لحركاته.
I'm laughing, but it's not funny. I'm disappointed in myself. For real. I don't know. I might keep it though. I'm about to tell my grandma and put the camera somewhere. Do I look fat? Be honest. Can you come here real quick? Can you come here real quick? Please? It's important. I said it's important.
What you want?
You have to promise not to yell at me.
I would have yell at you, Gabby. Should I yell at you? Yes, let me get up with the message. Come in here.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
What's the problem?
My girl.
I'm pregnant.
That's good.
Alright y'all, I'm about to go to this baby shower. Honestly, I'm not even in the mood. That's gonna be me. Well, I don't even know. I don't think I'm gonna keep it or nothing, but I don't really want to make it the top of the conversation, for real. So, I don't know if I'm gonna bring it up yet. Alright y'all, I'm here. I'm so nervous. I don't be going places by myself, honestly. This will be like the first, even though I'm going to see my family, like this is still the first time. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna call my cousin. Ask him who all in there. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Are you still here at the baby shower? You just got here? I just got here too. Okay, I'm gonna wait for you. Okay. Okay. That made me happy though. That made me smile. Now I don't gotta go in by myself.
What's up, y'all?
Hi. So pretty. It's so nice to see you. Congratulations. Thank you. Oh. Hey, how are you? Good.
Hi guys, I'm the cousin. Okay, so I got a couple questions for Miss Girl, Miss Gabby, about this house because I've been away.
I can't say it to you on camera.
Okay.
But I'm gonna say it and I'll probably cut it out.
You think this gonna work, bro? What? That's. Can we play together though? I gotta call them though. Huh? They trying to measure her stomach right now. Look at her. Get her! E, let me get peace. You have peace. I get one. Yeah, say what's up to the vlog, gang. Oh, what's good? Thank you, yeah. The man of the hour. Say what's up.
Shit, bro. Oh yeah, bro. Shit, I just can't wait till baby girl get here. You don't have no boyfriends. Fuck that shit.
Yeah. You do. I do. Say what's up to the vlog, gang.
What's up to the vlog, man? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, you know we in here. We vibing, man.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up?
Nehemiah and you two, come sit on yourself. 1 2 0. No, you're a mistake. Now every time I have to walk, 1 2 0. You're not gonna sit nothing up. I'm gonna come right yourself. I have 2 chairs and come sit up. I'll give you already. You know what tight shoes. I'm gonna sit this one out. You know what tight shoes. With your belly flat. I'm gonna sit this one out. You know why you up here? It's that adult man. Sit back. 3, go. Hold on, wait a minute.
Whoa.
If I'm not, you cheat. How the fuck I cheat? And turn up the belly tape.
You gotta promise something in that.
No promises. What?
I'm pregnant.
Don't let me beat you up.
I'm not lying. I'm laughing, but I'm not lying.
About whom?
I can't tell you who.
Gabby, don't.
I'm so serious.
Gabby,
you gotta. Can you get everybody out here real quick?
What's going on, because she's.
Why is everybody outside?
Yeah, because he done rather gather up the troops.
Cause she acting like she's gonna tell me something and I'm not gonna react.
Are you beefing with somebody? What's up? What do you want? What's up? What happened?
She acting like I'm not gonna react, bro.
Like, come on.
She acting like I'm not gonna react. I'm about to crush somebody in a second.
What happened?
This is kind of embarrassing.
She's next. She's next. But she next. I ain't picking nobody. Man, y'all really nasty. That's crazy.
It's a prank. Look at Sean. He smiling hard as shit.
I'm not smiling. I'm smiling because she won't tell me who it is.
She's trying to get her videos in, y'all.
She said she's trying to.
Where the camera at?
She need 10 minutes to make some money. Hold on.
No camera. Hey, go ahead. By who?
She won't tell me. That's why I'm upset. That shit not even on.
Hey, bro, you a trap ass nigga.
Y'all need to just give a reaction and lie. Y'all need to
Hey, yo.
What nigga? Who did that? Hey, everybody got to walk the fuck up back again.
We're gonna try again.
No. Okay. She said we gonna try again.
Guys.
You about to do this shit again?
Y'all.
Do that motherfucking AI shit?
Go ahead, bro.
Had an AI had me cooking. We're not doing that.
Y'all. I'm pregnant.
Bro, what, bro? Bro, why are you laughing, bro? There's nothing to laugh about, bro.
It's not funny.
That is nothing funny.
Why would you turn my camera off?
My bad. I think I'm bad at this stuff.
Video failed, man.
Hey, you gotta put, you know the GTA joint, mission fails.
Wasted up at the top.
Hey,
Niggas really gonna get blown up out here, bro. I thought you was out here trying to beef.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Look,
Hey, Jesus love you, bro, but I don't love you, Holmes, my
let's
father.
go back inside. I ain't gonna lie. She talking about no. If she talking about something she couldn't tell me, I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? Kawhi Leonard. I tried, bro.
I'll never ask you to hold my camera again.
Wow.
But you're a bad cameraman.
No. Fuck, do I look like a cameraman?
That's what he at, well.
When it comes down to the bottom line, then I did something. You have to make sure that she did that on a back. How the bomb clap you tell me?
Yeah, what?
How you tell me, sir? Really?
What are you talking about?
You smile? You smile? Gabby, you look me in your father now.
And you broke down the birthday club.
Me your family leak you know. You're lucky you're my father now. You smile?
Man, you broke the table.
I don't have fucking sense. I don't have sense. Look what's example in front town. I don't have pay attention. All on too big. Feel like you can't listen when people are talking to you. And people are trying to help you. For full of one fucking life on have in front town. I don't have listen. I don't feel like you're a man, a woman. You're mad. Let me tell you something. I hear some of me people are talking to and what now listen. A 7 blood clot people have. And a ball right now, today there. For help. Today. A ball for help. How people are talking to her when she like and a blood clot listen. Look. What the fuck do you know? Look. Daddy, we are sugar coated too much for them, man. No, well, you agree. Because I'm too much sugar coating for them, man. But you talk to Gabby. And I know Gabby you talk to. You know why I sugar coat and I hold down? Because me I talk to the right source. Delisa is Gabby's mother. Delisa have control. Oh, there's a lot of things Gabby do. Delisa don't. Me don't know what I want. A little girl. Delisa nasty little girl. You know much hoop and scoop and thing where she jump through for you blood clot girl school. Batty boy.
Where?
And you? You know how much money spent for you go to private school? What do you think for? So you can live on the street like when I'm fucking it there. Look. What do you think for? You know, what do you think for? Look at the difference. Why do you think people gonna work and work or them work? So you can go to school and get education. Why? This is no one. You see it here. Why? You think this is gonna happen and I'm gonna do this anyway? Sorry for you. So you not supposed to? Sorry for you. Peter again. Yo. Peter again. You hear me talk? 21. You hear me say all the while say? 21. Life just start. Life just start. No. If me say everything we say, nobody in the family. None. And you hear me say none? Me say me start with Delisa first and Waldo second. You see me? So me done. Me have a hands-off approach. Okay. Me get more talk. And once me realize you're not listening and you're not hear, them say who can hear about feel. Hey, and I will leave you alone. And no matter what situation you're in, me now lift no hand feel. Hold on. Oh the hell you want to tell me say you can't see certain things. What me I say? Me a dumbass. No going to school. How you can't say what me I say? You lucky if you have a picnic like Gabby
who say
Come if you get to my phone.
who you can have certain control over. You can have the control, you give up the control. I say go. Because you're gonna be there anyway. You're gonna be there anyway, but are you ready? Yes, you're ready. You're talking about have picnic. Where you come from the world for do? Have picnic? You come in this world for live, maintain. Where you come to do? Have picnic and somebody else mind it? Have picnic and the government mind it? Have picnic and the grandfather mind it? Have picnic and the grandmother mind it? You come for when you begin to talk about sex, talk about picnic. Me young you know, man. Me young. I mean the one when me young, when me a little boy, me a look man like hell serious. You do things to make them can live. You do things where tomorrow morning if something happen to you, God forbid, them know how to live. When you know I go, me kneel up on my knee every time. Me kneel up on then time I used to pray like hell. Me go to kneel up on my knee and pray to God.
Hello. All this happen when me have the cattle upon me. I hang from the bed. And she still won't go. So what more you want to do?
Hey.
And when you ask me, didn't I have the cattle hang from the bed? And me I deal with me, I go back and forth to the doctor.
Yeah, that's all that.
Drive myself to the doctor too.
Oh, yeah, man, that's all that.
Urgent care, emergency room.
You, you're 20 odd, almost 21. You can't run for you. Worse, you know what body look like.
You're 21. You can't help
You know, 21 yet.
You how much is? Hey.
The tummy is figure, right?
You how much you is? One out there. That's the business. One. Because just one.
Wipe off and wipe here.
Go there.
Can't put the knife.
See him?
Go out there.
You disappear.
Mother child. See him? Two picnic mom now. Ask him how sweet it is.
Oh, you know, you have one by the way.
This one more by the way, man. Time to learn it.
What are you talking about?
Let's not go for that. You learn to change your ways long time.
That's why people
ask him how sweet life is. Yes, we'll find out.
Life sweet.
Cameron and Messiah was back to back.
Huh?
Cameron and Messiah was back to back.
Oh, yeah, I said.
Which one on the way now?
No.
What's back to back after me?
I mean, like you saying.
So it's alright if it's back to back?
No.
Oh, should back to back why it's difficult? That's what you're saying?
No.
Oh, what are you saying?
I said it was back to back. You said it like, oh, I waited a year and I didn't learn my lesson, so it happened again. No, it was back to back.
Oh, so you never learned your lesson. 2 mistakes at the same time then. So you learn your lesson now. That's what you're trying to say. Full argument here. Full argument.
Yeah,
you just talk to them man and tell them how life's sweet. Oh, you have it. One baby mother wants sow you and one want hang you up and kill you. Tell them how it's sweet, man. Tell them.
But the man I told
you are like you see that.
Nobody might kill so high that you don't bother him.
It don't matter.
Huh?
What is it? You see, just
the IQ is so high.
It's so high that you don't bother him. You can't really sleep and comfortable.
You don't bother him on the surface.
It's bad I know what in that.
And maybe we are coping with it, just relax up and sleep.
Exactly. That's all I
don't bother him on the surface.
So because the 1 year and three times she has sleep today. 3 times.
Me laid up, hey. Me don't feel like
going in the car. And me say, where you there? She drop asleep in the car. But I have to put the car in.
Me mad with the whole one. Every last one on. Me check say maybe you. Me check say maybe me did have high hopes for you. Check say maybe you would have proved me wrong. But my mad with the whole of them. Him too. All of them. But
me talk that
I see him thing. The list I do you know.
But you are part of the family, you know.
And I'm afraid me talking.
I see him thing. The list I do you know.
And I'm afraid me talking now.
What me do?
Ask her how life sweet.
What me do?
Ask her how easy life was for her.
Hello.
And how easy it was.
Don't
get to that. Before we get to it. Ask her how easy it was for her to take care of you all these years.
Oh, so yeah, God.
Ask her that. A California, she go and come back with you.
So we never come back with her.
Yeah?
Get your story straight.
California, she go and come back with you. Be in her in front of her. California, she go and come back with you.
And you can't compare me. I was 23 or 24. I never come back with she.
Apples, orange, banana, there's a difference. You got California, you come back with she. Same thing, not different. What you need to do is tell her how easy it was.
She already know.
If she know what she put herself in the same public situation for.
I will never miscarriage, then me have her.
You know see?
Then me have her.
You know see? You know see?
So no. she's not a mistake, she's a want.
You know see? You know see how the world.
Meaning.
No, see, that's the problem.
Meaning.
No man, that's not the problem, Belisa.
No, meaning.
That's how you concerned with she be thinking she's a mistake.
After me have the miscarriage, me want it.
Apples and orange, and you got California and you come back pregnant. Same fucking way she got Texas and come back pregnant. Bumbuckler. I'm talking truth.
Me can't help but laughing. Because Mr. Chris, I look like you ever watch the something where they're on the tree where come down and eat the nuts. What they name? The squirrel.
So the truth is the truth and that's it. You have a whole heap for blood clot learn. Well, I have a learn.
No.
I wallow. I have a learn.
25 and up, me have her. Remember that.
I'm seeing over there. You over there, I up on the phone. You're up on the phone. And you laugh and smile. I hope to God a video is a YouTube prank, so you won't have to stop and laugh. But I hope to God. I hope to God it's a YouTube prank. I don't want to stop and laugh. Yeah?
I want it the longest. Sorry.
That's why.
Are you okay?
Okay. I hope to God it's a prank. Cause any other prank you say, well, me say, no, me don't breathe long time now. But me say any other prank. And a prank, now me no care. Hold on. Me no care. Me just go say a while ago. Me go say a while ago. While you sat down, while you
Chris Class is in the car. Chris, come on down the van. I'm Chris starting.
Me want to ask him to whatever. I'm just say, hey, you want to stop.
You make
Well done. She want to prank him from where they can.
He finally did.
Finally did?
Nah,
what the top of the eye?
Oh, with our shot. Edit all that.
I'm not tearing that up in many pieces. Yes! Hey, what a come out of me here.
This prank, you see? Hey, hold on. You know, so you have been a room outside door, right? I want to come from me. The truth on the pregnancy test beside that. I don't think you look funny. You don't get up and come at the same time. Jesus.
I'm going to the car and start the evidence.
Don't sit down there. Yo, my bed. No. It bothers me. Me not like bed. Oh, yeah, I'm glad I promised. Come on.
Look. Do you realize this?
Cheese and peace.
Oh my God.
It's a laugh, no, because of prank.
Good now, man.
It's a laugh, because it's a laugh. Because everything I say, I don't know joke. I don't know joke, but I say. Everything when me I say, I'm a joke. I'm a joke.
Yeah, babe. You know what I'm saying? When you got Texas ago, I watched 2 episodes. I want to see if I don't like this, but now I watch some more. And I said to myself, so it's great. Yo, the word is good if I prank it up. The word is good enough, I swear. Come here, pray say y'all pray so she not come back pregnant.
Me not busy with a prank or prank not. Me busy with a prank or prank not. Me not busy with a prank or prank
Come on,
not.
show down the pregnancy test, man. No, man.
Me not care whether a prank or a prank not.
Me never what? Gabby.
Some serious things happening. I'm not taking for joke. Me not taking for joke.
You know I like you, Gabby.
Delicious should not never allow. Delicious. Maybe she know more than me. Maybe she know more than me know. But if what me know, you know what me call Delicious, you know. Me call Delicious, you know. I say. So Gabby gone to Texas. So
Gabby.
Yeah.
You're not post that though, right? Yeah. You're not put that on you.
Somebody use it by you too. It catch your full, we call it full no.
Me said to Delicious, I say.
You can't put all that up on Facebook, on YouTube, man. You can't do that. You're going to delete that, man.
Can you call everybody name? Delete.
Yeah, I'm delete the name them out of it.
See then? That you post.
Listen up.
That is it.
Listen up.
Yeah.
Said when Gabby gone to Texas, so I call.
So you don't know about it?
No. See, I was looking for the camera as soon as I seen the.
No, I see you look over here.
But what threw me off was Sean having a straight face the whole time.
No, I ain't gonna lie. I was trying not to laugh.
Because Gabby's smirking, and I was like, okay, cool. Let me look around for the cameras, whatever.
When he called Sean, and Sean's reaction was quite unusual. Because when he called Sean, Sean would have normally, you'd have seen the change in his face and he would have everything.
No, it was Gabby smirking, and it was Sean not having the usual attitude he has.
You normally have an attitude, that's right.
Yeah,
but me tell you already, say you normally have an attitude, so you should have the attitude.
Because me notice Gabby as well, I say why she smile so me say she get brave now. Because listen.
Gabby, he gets scared and
So me want to know now. When we want to know, a prank, when you call the police,
I know prank. That is no prank.
In the house with you guys, or just how many of you was in there?
how many
for the one I watch for the
How many houses?
It was 2 houses.
2 houses.
But she not telling the party, say them ask her to go home.
They did ask her to go home.
That's why she go home. They tell her she have to leave.
Why? Oh yeah, them eliminate them.
The one said them not eliminate them. Them say she too stubborn.
Oh.
Them say she not listen to them. She too stubborn and the boy buy her gifts and things. So the boy buy her bracelet, dog. He must buy her. He buy her sneakers. The sneakers are downstairs. He must buy her things and she not pay him no mind. So him say, oh, you have to go.
Am I the producer or something?
Yes.
Okay. That's why you
want to go with you.
The producer. Yes, the man buy her that. She said the man buy her chain, the man buy her bracelet. No, the man take back everything. And when she gone, I text him say, oh, you I forgot to take the chain back.
You should have carried the dog. I laugh at that video. Gabby, I try to put on the clothes for the dog. And the dog, she run there, the dog.
So I call him now, because now she get be involved. So now she get be involved. So now me say, alright, let me get the number. No, she put it on the phone. So when she put it on the phone, I me tackle him. I say, but me never know she come. So when me and him I go back and forth, I realize that this man like her, bring her and come, and start spend on her. I think she go frightened for sleep with him. It don't happen. So then him say, oh, you have to go. Here, Gabby, I don't know what I did. They say the man I spent fire with me.
So I didn't tell you that, Gabby?
Yes, the man texts her, say you have to go.
I feel sure. I'm the producer.
I feel sure.
I think he was just one of the influencers too.
No, he was the producer. I hear her. I don't understand.
Yes, I'm dancing. That you always dancing.
Delete the video there. They are not good video. Yeah?
But here, Gabby, I don't understand. So basically, me understand the man I spend by you. I ain't argue up none.
Yes.
Come back to the man.
I just want to say thank you for everybody that's showing me love and everything. Your support means a lot to me, and I'm just grateful that y'all still, you know, rocking with me, especially after everything that happened. It says a lot. First of all, I am single. I did go on the show single, but I also didn't come on the show to be with anybody. Not saying that anybody tried to talk to me. I'm just saying that I didn't come on the show to do anything with anybody. When I record content with somebody, I try to keep it as professional as possible. So when I came on the show, my mind isn't thinking about what this person's thinking about me, what this person's thinking about me. I'm thinking about me getting my content done. If that means me stepping away to go get my content together, get my camera together, then it is what it is. I do not have any interest in anybody on the show. I still don't have any interest on the show. I'm not interested in dating anybody right now. I just want to clarify that when I say I'm not looking to date anybody, I mean I'm not gonna date anybody that's in that house. No. Yeah, like I said, I was there to make content. I mean, but I kind of got a good outcome from the show. Like, I'm still grateful that I was on the show. Got a lot of new viewers. Hopefully one day I can collab with other influencers again, get the opportunity to collab with more influencers. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. There is things that I could say, but I won't say, simply out of respect. I wouldn't say that this conversation is over, but for now, I think we're okay. So yeah, stay tuned. I know y'all see some new jewelry on me. We can talk about that in another video, and I'll see y'all. A lot of stuff in the vault right now that I'm excited to show you guys. So yeah, bye. Yeah.